Hey guys, I hope you're all having an awesome day today. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm premium box for the month of February right here. So if you want to see what I got in my box, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so in case you don't know, the premium box costs $35 a month and you get between 6 to 7 products and you promise a retail value of at least $175, I believe. And this one is an upgrade from the regular base box. But let me get started because I'm excited to see what I got. I actually don't know like exactly what I got, only a few items. Okay guys, so here's a card for the month. This month's theme is Boxycharm XOXO, which I think is super cute and adorable and perfect for Valentine's Day. That's right around the corner. Just a really cute theme. And I'm gonna first show you what I chose. The item that I chose was the Mercier Matte Radiance Baked Powder in the shade Highlight 01. And this retails for $44. And it says that it's an ultra smooth baked face powder that provides natural color with soft matte radiance. Sounds really nice because I like the matte look, but not drying because I have dry skin. This is what the compact looks like. I think it looks really like classic and sleek. It has a really nice size mirror right there. Let me take this plastic off. And that's what it looks like. It looks so pretty. Let me swatch it. Okay, so that's what the powder, this is what the powder looks like. I think that's really pretty. I might need to try that out soon. That's really pretty. It has obviously some specks of glitter in it, but I feel like not too much. That's really pretty. I might need to try that. I think that's perfect for like if you want sort of a soft highlight, you don't want too much going on. It's really pretty and it feels nice and creamy. And again, that retails for $44. Wow. I do like Laura Mercier's products, so I'm excited that I got that. And that was my choice item actually. The next item in my box I'm so excited that I got is the Huda Beauty Pastel Obsessions eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $29. So cute. I actually haven't had the best of luck with Huda Beauty palette formula. With their formula, I've gotten many Huda Beauty palettes in the last few months from Ipsy and Boxycharm, but this is so adorable. Oh my god, it's first of all, yeah, just the packaging is so pretty. I know my daughter is gonna want this. It's so pretty. Let me open it up. And this is the pastel one. The mirror is so cute. I love these kinds of small palettes. They're my new favorite thing. Small palettes with mirrors. The color story is just beautiful, stunning. I hope it's not patchy. Honestly, I try to be very open-minded about her formula, but some of her palettes that I've tried, I've had some issues with patchiness. But this I'm going to try out soon. I really love how this looks. So perfect for spring. And again, that retails for $29, and I'm just really happy that I got this. I'm just really happy that I got this because spring is right around the corner and I love pastel eyeshadows. I think that you can even create like some very simple looks if you don't want the purples. If you get this in your box. Ooh, I need to play with it soon. But anyway, I do love that. I'm glad that I got it. The next product in my box is the Lovescript Decolleté and Neck Cream Leave-On Mask. And it says that this is a decadent, nutrient-rich leave-on cream mask that will develop the delicate skin of your décolleté and neck. So this is supposed to be for your face and neck. Sounds moisturizing, which is what I need. So the box says that this luscious hydrating and restorative treatment mask is designed to rejuvenate and refresh the delicate skin of your jawline, neck, and décolleté. Sounds really cool. I love anything hydrating because, as you guys know, I have very dry skin. And this is a really nice size. Really, really big. Let me smell. Not a strong smell. That looks so pretty. I almost don't want to touch it, but it looks so creamy. I have to touch it. It does feel pretty thick. And like it kind of definitely blends into your skin. And see, I have very extremely bad eczema. And right away, like, it hydrated my skin. So I think that would be nice for me. I just need to, it does have a scent, but not like bad. It's not strong. I have extremely dry skin and I need to definitely incorporate more hydrating products into my routine. I have products that I love, but I feel like over time you need to try new things, and I struggle with trying new skincare. But this sounds interesting, and I'm probably going to go ahead and try it out. And again, that retails for $58. And I think the amount that you get is perfect. It's a really big container. The next item in my box is the Tarte Man-Eater Mascara. Another mascara in my collection. It says, warning, maximum compliments ahead with this volumizing, lengthening, and curling mascara with a soft flex brush and lightweight triple black formula. And it retails for $23. I love Tarte, but I feel like I don't try out many of their products because, I don't know, I've been finding so many amazing drugstore products that I don't look for them too much. Whoa. Wow, that was weird. So here I am reading my card. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this. It says Tarte mascara. And I got the liner. I mean, I'm really happy with their mistake, but they made a mistake. Because I remember I saw online that there was a variation with this liner. It's a dual-ended liner. And I wanted this. I did not need mascara. See, there's a felt tip liquid liner. And then here's a gel one. But on the card it says that I'm supposed to get a mascara, so that was a mistake on their part, but I welcome it because I do not need mascara. But liners, I don't really need liners, but I feel like I could get more creative with liners than with mascara. So I'm excited that I did get this. That was a mistake on their part, but again, I prefer this over a mascara. And let's move on. Okay, this has never ever happened to me, but my card is totally wrong. Okay, so the next item that the card says that I was supposed to get is the KVD Vegan Beauty Epic Curl Vegan Lash Primer, and it's not in my box. The next two items are like skincare related, so we're skipping out on that. That one's wrong, and that's so weird. That's never happened to me. Has that ever happened to any of you with Boxycharm? Please let me know in the comments. That was totally strange. The next item that is here, I did get, is the Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm, and it retails for $33. And it's this lip balm right here. I got lip balm from them last month. I don't need lip balm, but okay. And it says Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. I like coconut. Let me see. That smells good. Okay. It smells really tropical. Oh my god, I love that scent. It smells really tropical, and I think I will actually get use out of this. I really like it. And then the last product that is actually in my box is not on the card, and it's the Ren Clean Skincare Perfect Canvas Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. And it says that this removes makeup, SPF, and pollution. So that's interesting. Okay, so I did end up getting 6 items, but not the ones listed on my card, which I think I'm fine with. I'm gonna let them know. I don't know, what do you guys think? I think I'm okay with it. I got a cleanser. This I'm excited that they made a mistake on because I did not need more mascara. A Tarte double-ended liner, Laura Mercier face powder, like a face cream, moisturizing face cream, then a Bali Balm that smells heavenly. That smells like a tropical island. I love that. Okay, and then I got the Huda Beauty Pastels Lilac eyeshadow palette. So all in all, I love everything that I got. It's just weird that I got the wrong card, but so I'm not going to add it up because I don't know. I got the wrong things. But I think that's going to be the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments, has Boxycharm ever sent you the wrong items, and what did you do about it? I mean, I don't think I'm going to do anything because I'm pretty content with what I have. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys. Mwah.